manages to get this key, clone this key, or do a relay attack. It's the 72 plate Jaguar I-Pace. They get in, go to steal it. It's going to start, but as soon as they put it in gear, the vehicle's going to cut out. As you can see in the bottom, it goes from ready to off, and we're unable to move it. So what the customer's got to do, start the car up. They can have their Bluetooth on their phone, simply have the phone in their pocket. It disarms and they can drive away. Select a gear, vehicle stays ready, and they can drive off. If their phone goes flat one day, they can use a push sequence to start the vehicle and get home. So the way they'll do that, if their phone's gone flat or their Bluetooth switched off, they'll start the car up, go for a push sequence. For now, we just have 1, 2, 3. Hear a disarm tone, we can select our gear and drive off. Once again, if a thief gets the key, does a relay, starts the vehicle up. If you watch in the bottom, goes to ready, put it in gear, vehicle's going to turn off, they're going to be unable to drive it. To get one of these fitted, give us a call on 0208 212 7393. We're Immobiliser Fit. This is a Starline Pro Immobiliser. Thanks for watching.